in the first jar, you may not put a plastic straw in the second jar. You do not have to use all of the items in the group. For example, you may use only one straw. You will be finished when time ends or when you ask to be scored. Once you say you are finished, you cannot add any more items. The lid must be on the jar when time ends. You will be scored as followed. You will receive 1 point, the point value, for every item inside the jars. You will receive double the point values for everything inside the smaller of the 2 jars. You will receive 1 to 10 points for the creativity of your solution, and you will receive 1 to 10 points for how well your team works together. Let me repeat. You will use the items to solve the problem. Your problem is to open the jars and fill them with as many of the items as you can. You will then place the lid back on the jar and close it completely. You cannot split up items between the 2 jars. You do not have to use all of the items in a group. You will be finished when your time ends or when you ask to be scored, but the lid must be on the jar when time ends. Timekeeper, are you ready? Teams, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Begin.
Can we break the item?
Yes.
They're not all going to fit in I'm breaking this. How can we break spoons?
Okay.
I can't break these.
Hey, get that pencil.
I broke half.
Somebody break that.
This is so wasteful.
I know.
Look at that. Break the spoon. Go like that. Break the spoon.
Yeah, and then we tie it around.
Wait, what is over here? Which jar are we doing with these? Okay, this I get here. There's broken ones all over the ground. Look at the force on that.
Let's put the cubes in here. Go put the cubes in here. Guys, we need the jar. Okay, put the cubes in here.
Guys, break the half ones in half.
Break the snacks. Break it in here.
Wait, we can put these in the jar.
You can.
Ow, I got lead in here.
No, we can't.
No, we need to break that. They don't hurt to break. Break the half ones in half like this.
No, there is no. No.
It hurts.
Break it.
No, but they're not all. You should take these.
Guys.
Oh, it landed.
I can't break it, Marcus. Okay, that's all. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Cat. No, try to put it on. I'm just saying your name. No.
Put it all back in.
Yeah, we can't put a million.
Are they all the way?
I mean, yeah, we can't put like a billion, but.
Oh, look at my hand.
Will they?
There's only 4 more left.
Get them up. Just shove them in there. Good enough.
Wait, we can't put them there. How many pencils are there?
Sorry.
I know, but there's only 3. We can get 4 points if we use
Time?
one.
How much time?
One time.
Same time.
1 second. No. Sorry.
No, I thought Haley was saying time. No, I was saying that. Hurry. 1 minute.
Scored.
Come on. Break it. Come on, Marcus.
I can't break this one. I can't break.
Is there any more paper?
Half pencil doesn't hurt.
No.
If they're like pencil
Just put it in there. Just put the cap up. Just put the cap up.
We are ready.
No, people just showing us up there. That's not good.
It's like. Are you gonna tell us when it's 30
Ready to be
seconds?
scored?
30 seconds.
Just stick with the jar.
No, we just asked.
Guys, if we don't have a jar, use 1/2 of a pencil one. That's what I could fit it.
No, we can't.
No, we have, because then we're gonna lose points.
You have your lids on? Well, then we just won't count that one pencil. We can count all the others. Wow, look at that. It's really good. My hand hurts.
I got splinters.
Same.
I got football. I have splinters.
Oh, you play football. You can handle up these splinters. Okay, good job, Ian. Good job in your communication. I'm really crowded around the end of the table and almost pushed some people out, so just watch out for that, okay? But you did a good job communicating. One thing I would suggest is instead of everybody breaking pencils, get one or two to break pencils and the rest of you work on something else. Maybe not one, maybe two.
This
But,
is ridiculous.
But that's crazy, that's pretty good. Okay, so let's see what you have in here. Is it just pencils? Oh, and binder books. Is there anything else?
We should have put the pencils in here because it's pretty much empty almost.
No, but you get double points for this. So we won't count one pencil because we didn't get all of it in there.
How many pencils are there?
But there were 10 in all, so you got 9 pencils. That's pretty good.
And we got everything. We got all of the binder clips.
I only had one team today that broke apart the binder clips, and that may have made the difference between getting your other pencil in there. It was just they kind of pinched it together and bent it backwards, and so that might have been another idea. Did you break your spoons? Yeah, you got your spoons broken too.
Your entrance in here was very solid. Keep in mind, the judges are judging you every second that they're seeing. So my perception of you as a team, and your sportsmanship, your teamwork, your creativity, all of that I'm thinking about from the mid as you came in.
Your pennies over here too.
You did a phenomenal job of that.
Your string?
Yeah.
Get it all done out there. You know the drill, right? Outside before you go in. It's something that you gotta keep in mind. The judging or judging you.
Alright, so we put everything but one pencil.
No, half of a pencil actually.
Yeah, but
Yeah. Can I keep
This is
this?
not a very
you're proud of that, aren't you?
It's so amazing.
straightforward.
If only that was crayons and you let it melt and that would look like so, that would look pretty. Ooh, I'm gonna keep black. Yeah, it could